Tier 1 was struggling with a major launch, a whole new program, building a whole new propulsion system. And the magnitude of their issues exceeded the resource capability of the team that Tier 1 had. I was brought in to be the intern maintenance director for the company. And over that period of time, I implemented numerous processes and systems that are best practices within the industry. I also helped teach and mentor and coach the engineering team during that assignment, and I brought a lot of data-driven systems into their process. Over a period of 5 months in this assignment, I was able to successfully achieve the goals set forth for HVMC. Not only did we improve the jobs per hour, the Tier 1's customer also recognized the gains that HVMC brought to the table, and it was very rewarding to help this Tier 1 achieve its customers' goals.